Welcome back to I Love Cooking. Today we are making something special. Juicy, perfectly seared pork chops that are bursting with flavor, whether it is for a weeknight dinner or a fancy meal. Let's prep the pork chops. First, pat it dry with a paper towel. This step is key to getting that perfect crust when we cook them. Next, season both sides generously with garlic and onion powder, black pepper, all-purpose and chicken seasoning. Don't hold back. This is your first layer of flavor. Now, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You will know it is ready when the oil starts to shimmer. That is the signal to start cooking. Gently lay the pork chop into the hot pan. Listen to that sizzle. That is the sound of flavor being locked in. Let it sear for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side without moving it. This will give you a beautiful golden crust. Once you flip the chop, it is time to add even more flavor. Toss in a sprig of thyme, 2 garlic cloves, and a tablespoon of butter. As the butter melts, use a spoon to baste the pork chops. This makes them extra juicy and flavorful. To make sure your pork chops are cooked to perfection, use a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the meat. Avoid the bone. We are aiming for an internal temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the pork is safe to eat and still tender and juicy. Once the pork chop is done, rest for 5 minutes. This resting period is crucial. It allows the juices to redistribute, giving you the juiciest pork chop possible. Now, let's plate up. This pork chop pair perfectly with mashed potatoes, roasted veggies, or a crisp salad. Just look at how juicy and tender this is. The seasoning, the buttery thyme, the garlic, it all comes together perfectly. And there you have it, perfectly seared pork chops that are juicy, flavorful, and so easy to make. Thank you for cooking with me today on I Love Cooking. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our delicious recipes. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with what you would like to see next. Until next time, happy cooking.